Welcome to Pemberley Farm. Well, what have we here? This is one of our Cornish cross chickens that we raise every year, and it's not quite time to process them yet, but this one was having trouble walking, and so we decided to go ahead and process. I'm not sure if it was a rooster or a hen, but anyway, dressed, this chicken is 6 pounds and it's only 8 weeks. So that's why you need to do your Cornish crosses that you raise 8 weeks, no more than 11 weeks, depending on their size. Look at that. That's an amazing chicken. Now we're going to do a recipe using part of this chicken, and then we'll freeze part of it. But I just wanted you to see this massive chicken before it was all cut up. It's just, they grow off so fast. So this is, like I said, one of the Cornish crosses, and we'll let him cut it up and then come back and continue with our recipe. Okay, our chicken is cut up, and the recipe we're going to use is one that we use sometimes when we're doing open fire cooking classes, and it's an easy bake chicken and rice, and we do it in a Dutch oven. But today we're not cooking out over the open fire. The sun just came out, but it had been pouring rain here. So anyway, we're just going to do it in the oven. You can do it in the oven. So what we have is 1 cup of rice, 1 chicken. Now this is a large chicken, and I'm not going to use the whole chicken. There's no point in it. There's enough food here for myself and my husband, and even if the girls are here, you know, to get 2 or 3 meals out of. So anyway, I'm not going to put the whole chicken on here. A can of chicken broth, and a can of cream of mushroom soup, and then some water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the rice in the bottom of my pan. Just kind of spread it around. Okay? And then I'm going to put the chicken on top of that. So I'm going to bring this over to the sink because the chicken's down in the sink. I'm going to do the thighs. I'm going to do the legs. And I'm going to do 1 breast. Now that's just half the breast. Here's the other one. Okay? And so that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to do the rest of the chicken. I'll do something else with the rest of it. But that's more than enough for us with this casserole for you know, a couple of meals or more. So anyway, so what you do after that then is you sprinkle the onion soup mix over the chicken. Make sure it's all broke up good in there. Sprinkle it over the chicken. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the mushroom soup. We'll move this back out of the way so you can see. And our chicken broth. And our can of water. Going to mix it up in this bowl. Just to break, whoops, made a mess. Just to break up the mushroom soup. Okay? So, nothing to it. I'm just going to pour this over our chicken mixture here. My oven is preheated. I don't know if you heard that go off. Alright. I'm going to put it in there. Put the lid on it. And I'm going to put it in the oven for at the very least an hour. As thick as that chicken breast is, probably a little longer than that, maybe 1.5 hours. But I'll keep a watch on it. So, and then when it's done, we'll come back and show you what we have. Alright. Our chicken and rice is done. And we plated it up. Here's our chicken, our rice, and I cooked some zipper peas out of the freezer. Now, I will say, this goes along with the Three River Challenge. This chicken was not in the freezer, but he was outside on the ground, and so he still counts. It's not something we had to go to the grocery store and buy. So anyway, if you don't know about what the Three Rivers Challenge is, go look in our playlist on Three Rivers Challenge and you'll see our original video about it. All right, so these girls are hungry. They can't wait to get some food. They're always hungry. So thank you for joining us here at Pemberley Farm. And if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please do so. And like this video if you liked it. And also don't forget to go to Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. I have to get them all remembered, to Pemberley Farm Homestead, and give us a look. Also, let me just say that we offer classes here on our farm if you are local or fairly local, and the 14th of January 2023, depending on when you're watching this video, the 14th of January we will have a chicken class, which will be, we call it Chickens A to Z. It covers taking care of them from the very beginning when they're tiny little chicks all the way to processing them and on your plate. We will serve some of our chicken then. So if you're fairly local and you see this in time, go to our Facebook page and all the details will be there on Pemberley Farm Homestead. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you from Pemberley Farm.